White Ribbon Alliance gave a wake-up call to New York City. Global citizens put pressure on government to prevent needless death in childbirth. Hello, habari. My name is David Lemuya from White Ribbon Alliance Citizen Voice, reporting from United Nations General Assembly in New York. We are here asking for global leaders to keep their promise and commitment to support women and children's health. Today, White Ribbon Alliance Global Patron Sarah Brown is co-hosting a powerful breakfast with Ariana Huffington and Donna Karan to asking the guests to support our cause and join a global movement. Renuka Maritha from White Ribbon Alliance India reports.
We are here at the Wake Up Call breakfast event, which is being organized by the White Ribbon Alliance. This is the third time this annual event is being held and co-hosted by the powerful trio. Behind me you can see that excitement is building up as people are arriving. White Ribbon Alliance is bringing together media, entrepreneurship and global campaigning together to discuss how to accelerate progress to save mothers' lives. What do you think needs to be done to make maternal health a top priority for governments across the world?
As global patron of the White Ribbon Alliance, I've seen quite a lot of progress in the last few years, and I know that Alliance members all around the world, in the many, many countries where we have members, can afford to stop for a moment and just pat themselves on the back. We must remember how far we've come. I mean, they say when they add it up that the numbers have dropped by nearly half in these last few years, but of course there's still an awful lot of work to do. I think the advocacy piece, the speaking up for those mothers who are dying unnecessarily in pregnancy and childbirth is still our greatest job.
I've traveled all over the world, and the most beautiful thing I see are children.
Yes.
And their mothers, you know, and the passion for the connection between the community and the family. So to hear that it is not available to save women's lives and children's lives is just uncomprehendable.
Thank you, Renuka. Rosim Lai and Parajita Gogoi, White Ribbon Alliance coordinators, and today's speaker now join me in the studio. Rose, how does the White Ribbon Alliance push for progress in Tanzania?
The White Ribbon Alliance for Safe Mother of Tanzania has been pushing for the progress by engaging media to conduct campaigns on midwifery as career among secondary school youths. We have a White Ribbon Day, which is our platform where we bring high-profile politicians. Even our president has come to the White Ribbon Day, and also talking to communities on the commitments that was made by government and empowering them to demand for those commitments.
Thank you. Aparajita, how does the citizen keep the government accountable in India?
Well, David, if you look at the maternal health scenario today, at the international and national level, we have a lot of promises, a lot of pledges, and a lot of policies. Who has the right to demand for accountability? It's actually citizens, communities, and women. So White Ribbon in India has been working with community groups. We worked with media and citizen groups at the grassroots level using checklists to really monitor the service delivery. The services that are promised through our facilities, are they being delivered or not?
Thank you. We want to hear your voice. Please join us.